Hello people, this is the most awaited year where everyone waits for Doon Blossom Academy ka annual function.
Arey, it's DBA's annual function. We are so much excited for this event. We have waited about 1 year for this event.
We take immense pleasure in welcoming you to our DBA Annual Day celebration.
जैसे कि आप सबको पता है एनुअल फंक्शन आ रहा है, तो छोटे से लेके बड़े बच्चे तक सब एक्साइटेड है, सब डांस की प्रैक्टिस में लगे हुए हैं.
Coordinating rehearsal can be very challenging for us as a pre-primary teacher because our tiny tots need more attention.
Our dance teacher tells us for theme and song. जैसे सारे टीचर्स डांसर है, वो हमें डांस स्टेप्स में या सॉन्ग सिलेक्शन में उन्होंने हमारी काफ़ी मदद की है.
Our student has been working tirelessly, pouring their heart and soul into their performance and presentation to make this day truly special.
It is the most awaited day and students are excited for that, and they are maintaining the studies and dance practice well together.
We will manage our studies like 1st to 5th lecture we do study and 6th 7th lecture we will do annual function practice. हमने हमारी प्रैक्टिस ऑलमोस्ट 1-2 हफ्ते पहले शुरू कर दी थी.
The journey was full of hardship and we managed to do choreography and to do the perfection, but now our choreography is finished.
एज मैं 11 साइंस के स्टूडेंट हूँ, तो मुझे एक अच्छा मोटिव देना था मेरी क्लास के थ्रू, तो हमने इस हिसाब से सॉन्ग सिलेक्ट किए ताकि हम पेरेंट्स को एक अच्छा मोटिव और एक अच्छा थॉट भी प्रोवाइड कर सके.
We at Doon Blossom Academy embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learning.
The theme of our annual function is the key to Quest.
Our students are going to uncover some amazing facts through their performances.
Experience the excitement and excellence of our annual function.
Appreciate and encourage your children's hard work with your presence on the upcoming annual day.
And we are glad that you guys are coming to our school to see our function.
Please come parents to encourage your children.
तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ कि आप सब आए और हमारा परफॉर्मेंस देखे. हमारा इवेंट सक्सेसफुल तो होता ही है, बट आई एम श्योर दिस टाइम वी विल टच द न्यू हाइट फॉर श्योर.
Dear parents, Jai Shri Krishna, please join us for the captivating moment of our annual function where exploration awaits.
It is with genuine excitement and a heart full of anticipation. This year we have chosen the theme of the key to Quest. The key to Quest is more about the word. It's about the personal and collective journey of exploration.
Unveiling for an unforgettable journey of this annual function.
Our dedicated team of teachers and our incredible students have been working tirelessly to bring life to this theme,
Where every moment is a discovery and every step is a key to the new horizon.
This year's annual function will not only be about the artistic display of the profs, but it will be fostering the resilience and curiosity among the students.
We also navigate, and it is our pleasure to show all our children the right path and to motivate them and keep the memories which will be cherished forever. Your presence and support would really mean to them. Your motivation and inspiration will make or inspire our students to reach their greatest height.
It is super fun event where we make long-lasting memories. You all are invited to come to be a part of this event and make this day so special for you and us.
The annual function provides them a big opportunity, and they also perform themselves in front of their parents and their loved ones.
Mark your calendar for our upcoming annual function 28 ફેબ્રુઆરીએ 5:30 વાગે.
On 20th February 2024 at 5:30 p.m.
આ એન્યુઅલ ફંક્શન ડેની અંદર તમે હાજર રહેશો.
Let's join together on this day to celebrate their hard work and dedication.
Thank you, our DBA family, eagerly waiting for you all.